everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're going to take a look at our 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5. With just over 58,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Tundra well equipped with high-intensity headlights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a set of aftermarket 20-inch fuel wheels wrapped up in a like-new Ridge Grappler tire with rough country aftermarket lift and suspension components. Additionally, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards, paint-matched mirror caps with keyless entry, and on the inside you'll be met with a black-on-black theme here. Now, being the SR5 trim, pretty simple setup inside here. Very clean. As you can see, you have some brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Toyota Tundra. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats with off-white stitching. Additionally, your rear passengers will enjoy a rear flow-through center console with a 12-volt outlet. They'll also have pockets on the back of the seats. And then we even have a fold-down cup holder and an armrest. Making our way around to the 5.5-foot bed, you will notice this Tundra is equipped with a nice hard folding bed cover, followed up with your rear camera and all of your towing equipment, including your 4 and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. And once we drop the tailgate, you will find a spray-in bed liner, super clean. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as powered windows and door locks. Then to the left of the steering wheel, you'll have your mirror adjustments. Then you'll have some brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting with a cargo lamp. And then you'll have some automatic light functions here. And then you'll even have your rear sliding glass here. That whole glass will actually go down. I'll demonstrate that here in just a moment. And of course, your traditional hood release and your emergency brake. Upon startup, we can see just over 58,000 miles on this Toyota Tundra. So as far as the steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have some audio options and the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. To the right, you'll have some selectors for that center screens and some page options. And down below, you'll find some safety features such as front-end collision and lane departure. Bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system here. As you can see, as far as audio is concerned, guys, you'll have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity. And it looks like we have no map here, so we can install that through Toyota apps, but it is not, it is equipped, but it does not function on this truck because there is no subscription, so to speak. Okay, rear camera here, guidance lines, crystal clear display. Pretty simple setup here, guys. Again, SR5. You will have your four-wheel drive selector followed up with your climate controls, and down below you'll have 2 USBs here with a 12-volt and your traction control on and off with some cup holders and some unique storage options here. Simple setup here for your gear selector here, nice leather wrapped with your brushed aluminum. And of course you will have your deep center storage console, and up top you will have your auto dimming rear view mirror with your integrated garage door openers with a compass integrated right into the glass. So that's a nice feature for the SR5. And of course some storage for your sunglasses. And let me go ahead and demonstrate the rear sliding glass here. You gotta love it. That's the Toyota Tundra right there. The whole glass comes down and goes back up. So guys, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will have your 5.7 liter V8 engine. As you can see, super clean. No evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multiple inspection, this Tundra has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. Moving on to the taillights, nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. All the way down to your lower bumper here, all the plastic pieces are free from any discoloration. Looks like you have some cosmetic blemishes here on the bottom lip of that tailgate. Your camera housing's in good shape. Let's take a look here. No, there's some gouges, but no really deep gouges here on the trim piece here on top of the tailgate. But as you can see, your spray-in bed liner is in great shape. Again, coming up the driver's side, there's a scuff on that tail light here. No dents or dings to the driver's side. We do like to take care of those before we list those vehicles. Okay, you do have some trim pieces around the wheel and tire setup, a nice rubber seal there. So that's intact, no curb rash on that wheel. Very clean underneath here, as you can see here. And then those running boards are in good shape all the way up. Just some small minor cosmetic blemishes here on this Toyota Tundra. Magnificent color. Guys, if you have any questions on this Toyota Tundra, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. You can even get yourself pre-approved. Super easy process, only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this truck will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.